In this video, we will see about typecasting. Okay, so what is use of typecasting? Like suppose if I am getting some data from anywhere, like from database or from Excel sheet or whatever it is. So some data is coming, I can say in the form of any of the data type. Like I wanted to receive data from double, but I wanted to convert that data into integer type or short type, or if I'm receiving from integer type and I wanted to convert that data in some different data type like long, float, whatever it is. So for that use, we use normally typecasting. So basically, we are doing typecasting. Whatever the type it is coming, we are simply converting the types, whatever it is. Okay. Okay. So in typecasting, we are having two types of typecasting. One is we can say widening, another is we can say narrowing. Okay. Like suppose we are having one int. I am taking here int I equal to I am taking 20. Okay, and I am taking one double value here double d equal to I am one just storing this value int value inside this. If we will store this and if we will try to print this d, it will print 20.0. Okay. Similar way, if I am trying to take some other value, I can say like double value. If I am taking here double d equal to I am taking 97.29. If I am taking like this, and this value I wanted to store in int type, is this possible, or sort type, is this possible? Yes, it is possible. Like suppose I am taking sort here, sort is equal to, and I wanted to only simply I can do this like d, so it will simply print 97. We will lose this value point 0.29 will lose this value if we will do like this. So this is the disadvantage, I can say. So this concept we can say that nothing but it is a widening, I can say. Okay, and this concept we can say it's a narrowing. Okay, so basically see what it happening. So big see these things are happening implicitly, I can say. Okay, what is explicitly? If this is implicitly, like JVM is responsible to convert these data types, means I can say the JVM is liable to typecast these data type from int to double or double to short, whatever it is. Okay, explicitly in the sense I can say it happens when we are trying to convert some value with the help of, like, programmer is liable to convert the value. Okay, so we will see with the example for better clarity, I can say. Okay, so we are having widening, narrowing, and we can do this with the help of explicitly and implicitly. So let's come to the eclipse. Okay, and first understand this slide. So two types of typecasting, I can say. One is widening, and we can like see it's a automatic conversion from lower to higher data type, whatever it is. Lower means white is lower data type, and we can convert this byte into short, char, long, int, whatever it is. Okay, and this is the example, I can say. Like see, we are having some int value 90 long, and we are convert just storing this integer value inside the long, I can say, or we can store in the double like this way. So this is nothing but we can say widening. Okay, and I can say that see, this is narrowing in the sense we are manually converting the value, right? Manually we are converting the value from higher to lower version. See, if we are writing explicitly this sort value, we are writing explicitly this like means I as a programmer or you as a programmer, you need to write, okay, this double value should be stored in sort format, sort data type. So we are explicitly writing here sort, we are explicitly writing here int. So this is nothing but I can say explicitly a typecasting or explicitly conversion, we can say. And this is nothing but I can say this is implicitly it is happening. Okay, so let's come here. I'm taking one value inside this. Wait. Taking one int value, int I equal to I am taking 78 point, sorry, 78. I am taking like this value. Okay, and in I am taking one value double d equal to, I just simply store this integer value inside this. If I'll try to print this value, like I'm saying that this is int value, and we are printing here I value inside this, and then after s sys out inside this, I am printing double value inside this. Okay, so let me take this double. Okay, and sorry, and I'm trying to print this d value. So if we will try to run, see, this will print 78, but double value will print 78.0. See, it is printing int is 78 and double is printing 78.0 because we are converting from lower to higher, and double is having some precision it is considering, so that's why it is just storing inside zero point 0. Okay, so this is nothing but we can say it's a implicitly it is happening. We are not typecasting explicitly. Okay, so this is explicitly and this is happening widening. Okay, let's come to the another example that is for narrowing. Okay, so let's take another example. I am taking one double value. I am taking here double d equal to, I am trying to take 89.567 something if I am taking like this. Okay, and I wanted to convert this value in sort or int whatever it is. So let's first convert this value inside int type. I'm taking int I equal to, and I wanted to store this d value. See, if this time we will try to, like in the narrowing, this is not possible with the help of JVM. We will get compile time error. So how do we fix this? We need to explicitly convert this. So we can convert with the help of int. I can say if we will write like this, it will convert in the double value into the int type. Okay, let's come to the sort. I'm taking sort s equal to, if I'm trying to convert this value, again we need to do this explicitly. So this is nothing but narrowing we can say. Okay, so I'm converting this value inside sort. Yes, it is happening. Let's try to print this sys out, and I'm trying to print double value double, double, I am saying that. Let's try to print this d. Okay, then after I wanted to print sys out, and I wanted to print int value. Okay, this is for int. I can say I wanted to print, then after sys out I wanted to print sort value. Okay, let's try to print this as, if we will try to print this in this case, so this is the, I can say this is some disadvantage also. We will lose some value inside this if we are doing narrowing concept. So we will lose this 0.567 value in the, if we are trying to store or print in int or sort whatever it is. See, the double value it is printing 89.567, but in int it is printing only 89, and sort also it is printing only 89. So we are losing this value 0.567. So this is the idea behind about, I can say, explicitly or implicitly. So this is nothing but I can say this is widening is happening implicitly. Okay, and narrowing it is happening. See, we are doing manually, and that was for automatic. It was happening, and narrowing in the sense we are converting double value into sort byte whatever it is, we are converting this value with the help of this. So this is nothing but narrowing, and this is happening explicitly we can say. Okay, in the next video we will see about inheritance with the help of inheritance scenario with this, and it is having some rules also, like how we are uh, storing a parent class, or like parent class object is holding to the child class object, how it is holding, what is the use of that, we will see in the next next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.